Several years ago, a group of educators in Central California took a look at what was going on with science education and realized that students needed to find a way to become engaged. Some opportunities arose, and the biotech industry in the Bay Area of California was very receptive to the idea of a program being started in Modesto. So several teachers came together with industry professionals, good support was found, and we were able to start a program. It's been going now for several years, and the students have benefited in a number of ways. We've had high engagement, we've had excellent metrics. Our numbers are very good in terms of grade point average, attendance, retention, transition to colleges and universities. We've had a number of students that have gone on to UC Davis, to San Jose State, to Long Beach, to San Diego, UC Merced, and a host of others. We have some in the industry right now. We have students studying for their PhD and for other advanced degrees. So we feel that we have a very viable program. This was borne out in years that followed by looking at not only the metrics, but also the way that the students engaged both on and off campus. We've had a number of opportunities to go out and do science outreach, and our students have really stepped up in the last few years. They're doing as many as 13 to 19 public science outreach events, going to places such as California State Fair, Department of Education, Sacramento Convention Center, and also elementary schools and all demographics here in Modesto, from high to middle to low income. We've worked with other districts, and our students have been excellent ambassadors for our program. We're really pleased that the program has taken off, and our use of a forensic biotechnology model has been one that's been well accepted by public, parents, and students alike. We've recently been honored by an award by our school board, and in years past, the program itself was an outstanding example and chosen by our local Chamber of Commerce, had liked the work that we were doing. So we're very pleased with all the different facets of what we're doing. But we also enjoy just hearing back from our students that have gone on to do other things. We get a lot of anecdotal kinds of things coming in emails, which we often play to our students that are currently going through the program to show them that what we do does work. So I've been asked before, what does a science lesson look like? And in this classroom, a lot of different things can happen. We have a very fruitful partnership with Hitachi Corporation, and once a year they send us out a $70,000 scanning electron microscope, a TM3030, that we use for several weeks. We use it to engage students from around the area, but we also use it in our investigation and our forensic lessons. We do a lot of forensics where students are solving mysteries or they're examining techniques commonly used by authentic CSIs. And so the engagement piece for us is really the forensic aspect. At the same time, the biotechnology that we integrate is the real skills that students can walk into a classroom in a college or university and then apply that from the get-go. So the CSI is the hook, the forensics allows us to engage the students, whereas the biotechnology gives them transferable skills that they can then take into the room and understand in a laboratory or a college or university how to behave, how to get results, how to conduct an investigation. So if you walk into a class here, you're going to see very high level of structure and student engagement, that they're spending time learning things that they can then use later on in their career.